chance to celebrate Ganpati Visarjan with Gabri ma'am.
And not only we have fun. No, Vachika, we had lots of fun. Yes, we have lots of fun, and we have learned a new method to do the Visarjan of Ganesh. We danced also.
गणपतीची आरती करू. गणपतीची
पुढच्या वर्षी बाप्पा बाप्पा मोरया, गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया रे, 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 मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया रे. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ती मोरया, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या.
गणपती बाप्पा
मोरया,
पुढच्या वर्षी
लवकर या.
See the countries. This goes all in the sea.
What that? This is the mud.
Made up of total mud.
This one.
If there is any dirt, we just keep it aside and put it in one bag.
पप्पा घरी गेला ना तिथं. पप्पा गेला घरी तिथला. You can feel that sand.
Yes, na? Did you see that?
What I thought is I'll take some sand with me, this plate. I have a home kind of garden there, garden, so I'll put this sand in all the plants.
Blessings of God.
Blessings of God. Putting my hand inside. See.
Shruti, कचरा असेल तर याच्यात टाकून.
Yeah, why not?
What ये तेरी ओढ़नी देख निशी तेरी ओढ़नी आया अंदर आप लाइन मना कंची है पुटो या निशी डोंट पुट अगेन पुट
Because they feel like if Ganpati will come, more people will visit them, so they will get more popular.
Okay. So like, do you think it's good? Like, do you agree with it?
Or
That-
sometimes for best Ganpatis and bigger, there are awards also. For that also, to winning
Yes.
the award, they are getting big Ganpatis.
So it's more commercial kind of thing now.
It is nice,
Then
but
the emotion.
if we use eco-friendly Ganpatis, then it is okay.
Right,
if we like that.
Right, awesome. But the only thing is that eco-friendly Ganpati is quite expensive, isn't it?
Yes.
So-
But we can make by chocolates, leaves,
Right.
papers.
Full society is giving some money to them, and they are making big Ganpatis.
And the children think we are spending 2,000, 5,000 rupees just like that in a restaurant or something. Why can't you buy a good murti, good idol, which you can immerse like this, which is eco-friendly too, which is not against nature. So I think you will put in plants in that water. Yes. So the chemicals will.
You have
There are
confirmed
no
that
chemicals. There are two types of idols we get. One is made up of plaster of Paris, and the other one is made up of clay. You know clay water.
Yes.
So it is made up of clay. It gets totally dissolved in the water. No chemicals, no harmful chemicals in that. So when we put this water into plants get sand plus water both. And even we have that emotion in our mind that our murti, our idol is in safe place, in a good place. It will be there forever with the tree. This is the
Right.
thought which I carry always with me.
So if you put water, instant water in the plants will remain safe.
It
Right.
is made up of clay. Not any harmful chemicals are there, nothing harmful.
Right. So even if we like immerse it in water in the sea, then also nothing is going to happen. Or
First of all, our sea is not clean.
Right.
It is totally full of chemicals, totally full of
Right.
all dumb things. So I don't think so that we should put our murti in that, because we bring this murti in home with full emotions, happiness. We believe in that, and I don't think so that we put our beloved things in such kind of dirty water.
Right.
This is the one reason. Plus, it is not safe. It is not eco-friendly also.
Right. So like, why, as in we came for this project, was that we thought that like immersing Ganpati in sea causes water pollution.
Yes.
So, like, is this Ganpati gonna cause water pollution if we put this Ganpati, which is made out of
Naturally.
clay, in
Because
water?
it increases sand content in water also. Sea is
Right.
created by, which I think ma'am can explain you more than me.
Right. Sure.
But there is one question.
Yeah.
If you go to the beach after few days and you see the body
Yes,
part of
that
the
is the
Ganpati,
worst
then
thing.
how you feel by looking?
I never go to that part, but once I have seen, it's like I was about to cry, because it's like one of the most favorite festival for us. We cannot put that idol like that. We cannot leave our idol. Will you leave? I don't think so.
I think so that every person should make about clays only, not about harmful chemicals. The murti should be made of clays only. No, why they are making of chemicals?
So is it expensive? This clay murti, is it
It
expensive?
is not so expensive.
Right.
Is
As
it expensive?
compared
It's not
to
expensive at all. It's just
Right.
made up of sand and water and
Right. And how about the other Ganpati,
Plaster of
which is
Paris.
made of plaster of
One
Paris?
foot it is 1,000 something.
My Ganpati is only 4,000.
500 years, 500 rupees cost.
Plaster of Paris.
Plaster is cheaper, I think.
My
Okay.
Ganpati is only
Cheaper.
5.
This one is costly,
This one is costly.
plaster, because it melts, no?
Right.
And that one is a high. By figure wise it is bigger,
Right.
but cost wise it is less.
So essentially that means that we need to convince people to buy clay
Even
murti, not
you can
POP.
buy whatever you have. You can buy a small one, isn't it? There's no need of to bring buy such a big.
Exactly. Yeah.
That chemicals Ganpatis, we can say them that means sell that sand like the man has like that Ganpatis.
Right. So as Gadreham suggested, like buy a smaller one. What's the need of buying a bigger one?
Yes.
So, like if you want to buy a big plaster of Paris ka murti, like in the same amount of money, you can buy a small clay sculpture, right? Like that would be
Many
more
people
effective.
do buy two idols. Like one is made up of plaster of Paris, and one is small Ganpati they buy that is made up of this clay. So
Right.
they do Visarjan of that small one, and they will keep that big one in the cupboard or something.
Right.
Again next year they will bring it out.
If you want to make a decoration like that, you can buy one plaster of Paris and keep it in the, afterward using this, you can keep it in the showcase or wherever your God's place is there. You can preserve it.
The people who buy big Ganpatis, no, they are spending more money on thermocols, making the decoration look beautiful, and to call people from lots of places. So they are wasting their only money, and they are doing pollution too.
Exactly.
Right.
When you see the Ganpati idol of Lal Bagh Raja, when they are throwing it in the water and the full water is coming and they are jumping on that idol with their legs and their slippers on half day.
Yeah. Please.
How to?
And when big Ganpatis are going now, there is so much chaos because they are falling there. So there is so much chaos and one small children are getting lost.
Right.
And when we are going to Chopati now, the sand of Ganpati is coming in our lake.
Right.
And because of the chaos, the terrorists also take advantage and put the bombs in the many places.
Not only that, many people take disadvantage of that.
Yes.
Like pickpocketers are there, many other people are there.
Right. So summarize. What should be done? Summarize.
They should do the same thing like man,
Right. Which is
which is they are taking Ganpati and putting in small clay Ganpati made of clay.
made of clay.
They are putting in smaller bucket.
Right. And does it make sense to buy a big Ganpati, a very big Ganpati, just to show
We
off?
should buy only a small Ganpati so it can be fitted in the bucket to Visarjan.
Right.
We can make our own Ganpatis at home, like from leaves and chocolates and like.
From?
We should make small Ganpati for society also, and we will put in the tub. Still, the publicity.
The
Still,
public can.
we feel newspaper about all the newspapers. They will also be shocked that they not have big Ganpati and they are not doing pollution also. Still,
Wow.
And if they buy that harmful clays wala Ganpati, so they should keep aside. And they should reuse next year that Ganpati.
Right.
I think many, while doing this research, and many people are interested in dance, music, bursting crackers. So I think we should stop that. If you want to dance, you can dance anywhere. There is no need to dance till the sea level.
Yes.
You can dance. You can play the music anywhere, and you can dance.
And dance in the society also.
Yes, you can. Why not?
Everyone is doing that thing, but they are doing loud voices, crackers, land pollution, water
Noise pollution,
water
all kinds
noise
of
All the
pollution.
four pollutions are getting.
we cannot break that bands also, and we can sing the Ganpati song by ourselves.
They're not blaming themselves; they're blaming another one.
Om, you had something?
Yeah, because of this, all pollution is happening. The band has sound pollution, the crackers have air pollution, and when a Ganpati time they are eating so much air, they are throwing dirt on the floor and
Plastic bags.
yes, and water pollution because of this.
Right. So all kinds of pollution is happening. Right.
So I just wanted to know where did you like whatever we did today.
Yes.
How did you find
It
it?
was very
We
fascinating.
feel that in our holidays we saw such a nice thing.
Yes.
In our holidays we saw such a nice thing, and Didi gave us activity that we should choose a one person who can't write their name, and we should do that. We done first thing. Now we are going to step second thing.
Wow, so
We are
sweet.
changing the world step by step now.
Very nice.
We are making good use of our holidays, aren't we?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks a lot for inviting us here and showing us such a wonderful way to celebrate Ganpati. I just want to know if there is anything you want to say to the kids.
I am also very happy that you all have come over here and taken a lot interest. Even the parents have come. I am very happy. The most important thing is that I want to convey children. You can try to your neighbors at your home. Try to convince them that these are the minus points and these are the plus points. We already discussed everything on it. But for years together it will take time. It might be. But you must try to convince them, and the message will be given in all the society. Suppose myself I am doing, the neighbors will think also after 2, 3, 4 years they will also think doing the same. Like that we can save our the other Mumbai, everything, all India even. That is the message, and you have to try. And you are young and very small, so you can try this whole life and try to convince the people. We don't have that much energy and strength to go to house and convey them. But you can try. At school level you can tell your friends and show this film, and they will also try to convince their parents. I'm very happy that you have come. Good.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot.